Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's August 16th, and yesterday we had my birthday barbecue, and I want to say thanks to everybody who reached out and wished me a happy birthday and who continue to do that. We had a little surprise that night. I got kind of some final touches done on getting some things ready to fire it for a test run on the H here. And so we got the throttle linkage set up. I finished up the wiring and temporary fuel tank. I got that set up. This is off of an old ice auger that I got from my former coworker John, who if you guys remember, a couple years ago he passed away from cancer. But this is the fuel tank he gave me to test run my tractors with. So I put a little 2-stroke fuel in there because that's all I had, but I'm not real concerned about it because a little extra oil in a brand new engine ain't gonna really hurt. So plus 2-stroke engine oil is designed to burn. So without further ado, I'm gonna give you guys a little video clip here of what happened that evening, because we figured, what the heck, why not? Let's give it a shot and see what happens. So check out this video clip, and hope you guys enjoy it.
There we go.
So we got a runner. This thing, that was the first time that we ever started it since the rebuild, and now I just started it this morning, and I gently pulled up a half turn on the hand crank and it popped right off just immediately, and it was just, it blew me away. I mean, I couldn't believe how easily this thing started. Rudy, of course, provided us with the mag for the tractor for the project, so big thanks to Rudy, and he's helped out immensely with this. There's so many people that have helped throughout this project that I got to say thanks to. But speaking of thanks, Owen, I got to say thanks to Owen, because he has consistently, through his own generosity, sent me, Red Power magazines. He's sent me tools to help in the shop here. And about a week or a week and a half ago, he sent a few things here. My battery's running low on the camera, so I'll try to get this quickly. But he sent Farmall Letter Series Tractors book by Guy Fay, Super Series Photo Archive by P.A. Letourneau, more Red Power magazines. He sent an Antique Automobile, a few magazines from that. Volume 1 of John Deere Tractors and Equipment, 1837 to 1959. And then he sent this whole myriad of tools. So we got a small ratcheting wrench set with bit drivers. We've got two different, it's called a tight reach, which is like a tight space ratchet. We've got pass-through ratchets and sockets that he sent. A nutcracker to split off nuts that are too far gone to try and get off with a socket or anything. A bunch of brushes that he sent for touching things up and cleaning things, small pieces. Something that we desperately needed, which was a plastic and rubber mallet. Snap-on even. That's a high quality mallet. And then he also sent a 1/2-inch drive Craftsman swivel ratchet, so the head on the ratchet swivels. And this is something I also don't have that's gonna really come in handy. So big thank you to Owen for all of this great stuff, and thank you to everybody for everything that you guys have supported in the channel and the restoration and just everything that we've done here. I can't thank you guys enough. And yeah, thank you. But one thing I want to talk about real quick here, I'm not going to be able to show you guys in this video because the battery's going to die, but we've got an issue with first gear and reverse in this, so most likely I'm gonna have to take the transmission top deck cover off, which means basically everything from here back has to be removed, and then we gotta figure out what's going on. But there's something going on in first gear where it's making a really nasty screeching, grinding noise, and then reverse is very hard. Once you're in reverse, it's very hard to get out of reverse. So I don't know if I got the shift fork and rail screwed up in some way, or if there's a bigger problem. But I've studied the photos and the videos from when we did the reassembly, and it sure looks like everything is kosher, but we're just gonna have to figure it out. Sometimes these problems happen. So it's the first time I ever tore into a transmission like this, so I was nervous about the problems, but we'll get it figured out. So that's all I've got for now. I got one more small little clip from running the tractor here. I'll put at the end of the video, and hopefully we can get some better, longer run time in so you guys can check it out. But battery's gonna die, so I gotta sign off. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for wrenching in all the videos with me, and thanks for your support. We're almost there. So take care, guys, and thank you.